Sometimes it's helpful for the chart reader to actually see the data labels on the chart that are being plotted. To add data labels to your chart, from the ribbon, choose the Chart Tools Layout tab, and you'll see there's a button called Data Labels. If I click the Data Labels button, I get to choose where I'd like to show the data labels on the chart. For example, click the option Center, and now I can see at the center of my line data points and at the center of my columns the actual values that are being plotted are shown on the chart. If I want to remove the data labels, I go back to the Data Labels button and choose None. If I want to show data labels but just for specific series, I'll click on a particular series. Perhaps I'll click on the line. If I then click the Data Labels button, I might say that I want to see the data labels on the chart above the line, so I'll click Above. And this is handy for the reader to see the points that are being plotted by this particular series, and they're called data labels.